found an Otis Lexan. Nice.
Keep it down a little bit. Okay, let's get in.
We got a fan.
Let's do our cab view first.
Original Otis analog. Oh my gosh, that door is so loud.
Hit one.
It's just like the one at Macy's at Collin Creek Mall, even though I've never been on that one. And I like to hear this motor go on, if that's okay.
Yeah. Can we switch sides?
Yeah.
Let's get off at one.
Sure. If I get a view of these fixtures.
Go ahead.
Gosh, these doors are loud.
I want to get a still pick on one.
Otis Lexan, my favorite childhood elevator fixture. I just realized it has classic leveling.
Oh, get back in. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. Okay, let's get off at two. We're gonna leave.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and, I realized that one is like, it's like, I don't know what's down there.
I don't know either. I thought the restrooms were down there.
There it goes, and
Oh,
that's it.
they're the restrooms.
We thought it was like the main mall level.